Hey, what's up, Vechain Holler? So today video is going very special because this is a live price prediction of Vechain, especially in the next month. Today is 1 May, my friend, and therefore the prediction is very important to this month. They moving up or they fails down. So kindly don't skip any second of this video. And what's the target of Vechain and of coming days they fails down or they going up? And especially, my friend, what's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy and those days? So let's get started the Vechain price prediction. Before I request to my brother before I get started the video, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates. Thank you so much, my brother, for subscribe ABS Tech channel. Okay, let's check out, my friend, the last 1 day chart, my friend, to what's going on in the last 24 hours. You can see here at the last 24 hours they are starting moving off like a rocket, and the reason is that, my friend, this is the start of a trail and our cryptocurrencies at the end of month going off like a rocket. So the first line I draw, my friend, for region this time you can see here they touch the highest point of this in the last 24 hours, and the second line is touch the lowest point, my friend. So you can see here this time they take a jump at the start of this 24 hour. You can see here they take a jump, and after this jump they fails down again. So they're moving at this circulation. Everybody understand they're moving at this circulation. So after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. You could see here. So this circulation, if continuously they're moving up, then absolutely in upcoming days you could see here this time they fails down. So after this fails they take a jump. So the good time is coming soon now, and this time also if I draw, my friend, the resistance line is here, my friend. So the resistance line is show you just a minute, my friend. I draw a unique color, my friend. So the resistance line, as my friend, you can see here. So this time they are going after they cross the resistance line, so therefore the change occur is in positive. So if the resistance change occur is in positive, then absolutely the price is increasing now. So the price is this time also very good, my friend, and I hope in upcoming days they also increase, and they easily hit it a half US dollar, and this in the first week, my friend. But remember, all cryptocurrencies very badly fails down, my friend, and those days. So especially if they starting fails down, then please don't sell it. This is good for you to hold it. Kindly hold it and don't sell it. Wait for a good time. Thank you so much, Vechain holder. Please, my opinion is that to please hold it and wait for a good time. They give you very good profit. So please wait for the end of this month. Especially, I hope they make you a millionaire at the end of this month. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and friends, remember my prediction is that today going up in upcoming days. So kindly don't sell it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.